When I think of a religious vocation, I really think it's ministering. It's reaching out and helping others.
The Sisters Community Garden is a unique ministry that allows them to reach out to the Greensburg community while also planting the seeds of faith.
And so we have 2 fields in our garden project. One field is always a crop that we share with Seton Hill University Kitchen and also with the Westmoreland County Food Bank, as well as our own sister charity kitchen. Last year we had an awesome crop of potatoes, about 700 pounds. So this year our main crop is sweet onions. And in the other field, 13 rows of sweet corn, 38 rows of sunflowers, and 3 long rows of garlic. We have students come from Seton Hill to volunteer, and some of them have never been in a garden. And to give them that experience,